Hi, welcome to Mayville State University, the Cell and Molecular Biology Lab. My name is Khaja Hussain. I'm a professor of biology at Mayville State University, and I teach different courses in biology like genetics, molecular biology, cell and molecular biology, and also microbiology. And apart from teaching, I do research involving different research projects I mentioned before. Now I am going to introduce this lab with the equipment, what we have the equipment here, what kind of work it could be done. And the first one on my right side, if you look at here, there's a SmartFake Plus, we call it spectrophotometer. You can do a lot of absorption study, DNA quantification, and other work, protein quantification. And we have this equipment here for a long time. On the right side, you can see two PCR machine, also polymerase chain reaction. It's called thermocycler. You can amplify DNA, you can synthesize DNA, you can amplify a fragment of DNA using some primer sequences there. And on the right side here, you see there is one called that centrifuge machine. You can put in a 50 ml tube to centrifuge it, and there is also microcentrifuge here. And here you can see one of these is called lyophilizer, or you can see freeze dryer. And I know one of the money we came from freeze dryer, the part of the money is coming from equipment grant from North Dakota SCORE. And you can freeze dry the samples so that you can study it better. And we have, we can in an oven, incubator oven, if whatever I say, it can go up to 105 or 205 degrees centigrade. That could be used for different studies. And we have water bath. Then we have here some oscillating incubator. You can maintain temperature, speed, and we have vacuum pump here, and we also have real-time PCR system. Now this real-time PCR system is also equipment grant provided by North Dakota SCORE, so we have available here. And whenever you work in molecular biology areas, you need to use different types of electrophoresis system. If you look at the two types of electrophoresis system here, one is horizontal system, other one is polyacrylate gel system, is vertical one. We have available this and all kinds of equipment we have here, what you need for the state-of-the-art scientific work. And I'm going to tell you some work, as I mentioned before. As I mentioned, we work on the first one, we work on wheat bran, and we work on using wheat bran for water treatment. Like this one, you have wheat bran and water spill. If you look at the middle one, there's an oil spill on the water, and treating with wheat bran, there's no oil is left there. And if you look at this one is concrete, where 2%, 5%, and 10% of the wheat bran biochar was mixed here. And we tested the mechanical properties, and the mechanical property it is compared with it to the synthetic cement. So that's the work I'm just going to show you. And also, as I mentioned here, the wheat bran biochar we use for treating water. That's the system inbuilt system we develop it, and we are dispersing here that contaminated water there, and then at the end you see the water is coming out. Then take this water and go for absorption study. So that's the work we are going on it. And if you look at this, we are a small university, but if you look at equipment-wise, we have really good state-of-the-art facilities here to do work in biology areas, molecular biology, biochemistry, genetics. So whenever any student who come out from high school, they can have this kind of expertise. They can work in the lab, they can use the equipment, and they can have their career develop in these areas. So, yeah, I'm always here at Mayville State University. You can look at our website. You can find me. If you have any question, let me know. I am ready to answer any question if you have. Thank you.